Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP DeskJet Plus 4100 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to locate or search for HP DeskJet 2300 series drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be a support.hp.com webpage that says HP DeskJet 2300 all-in-one printer series software. Open that up, and then you want to scroll down here, and there should be an HP Easy Start printer setup software. Select the download option for that, and once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. You want to select yes on the user account control prompt, and then allow this to proceed with the install. Configure whether you're using a wireless or wired-based connection for your printer, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.